I'm here in central London, in Olympia, right by the giant Olympia exhibition stadium, and I'm going to be creating here for the Ideal Home Show a very special feature, because it is in fact the Ideal Home Show's 110th birthday, and to celebrate this I am creating a giant cake made out of over 2,000 plants. It's going to be a huge, spectacular feature. I'm a little bit nervous because it's never been done before, but I've got the tube just over there, the exhibition centre, lots of deliveries arriving as we get ready to create all the features for this marvellous show. Let's get cracking. Well, it's not that we're under any pressure at all, but we are, because our main feature is going there right in the centre of the show area, and just behind me here are the main doors where everybody comes in. So they arrive in a variety of different ways: on foot, by bus, by coach, by tube, and as they walk into the Ideal Home Show they'll be welcomed by the giant cake. Currently all I've got is stacks of wood, some pot sides. There's Dave in the background there, he's trying to saw something off there, and we're getting ready to start building this cake. Terrifying of course as it is, never been done before. It's a huge cake in its size and dimension. Other members of the team will arrive with some cutting equipment. We're about to get started. So the construction of the cake's taking place, the timbers are all getting together. Dave Fitton here.
Hey, how are you?
We've been working on this for a while.
We have, it's been quite a while, and suffice to say we're 5 hours away.
5 hours away? Well,
confidently.
That's for the construction of the timbers and everything, isn't it?
Super.
You and your lads have done a marvellous job setting this up, all the different designs and infrastructure to get this layout together. This is the first tier, and it's a huge construction. We're talking about being 6.5 metres wide, and by the time we get to the top it's going to be about 3 metres tall.
Plus the numbers.
Plus the numbers of plants. There's a lot of noise and construction here, but it's getting together. This may look a little bit wooden at the moment, but with the plants...
Oh, it's going to be structurally sound, it's going to look fantastic. Public are going to love it, you'll be chuffed.
Long as we are, and the organisers and the visitors. Anyway, let's get cracking. Well, I just spotted this sign. Garden Showstopper. And there it is. No pressure.